Hi there guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit your website header and footer. So let's get right to it. Let's go ahead and visit our website and click edit sites right here. In this we're going to be prompted with this one on the left side. This is what we'll be looking for. So here we are able to, for example, edit and remove a block, change the text, and you guys get the idea. Change the menu. And here it is. Right now we're going to choose header. Click on header on the top right corner right here. And you are going to be able to customize it. So you can select a row where you would like to place it. You can select the heading type. Also another stuff. So duplicating it, inserting something below it, locking it. So basically right now, if we go ahead and set to our website, our logo is clickable and it's going to the same page. So we make sure that that's right there. We can also change the menus. To change the menus, I'll go back to my WordPress website. Go ahead and search my website WordPress admin page. Click on pages. Click on the pages as I said. And search for menus. As I said again, appearance. And customize for our theme. Go ahead, click customize. And right here, we will be able to go ahead and again, as I said, choose our specific one and change it, change its location, change everything. That's basically how you can edit your header in WordPress. Thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye.